Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cat eye gel polish is probably one of the most mesmerizing nail trends, offering a captivating, magnetic effect that's both elegant and eye-catching. This video will dive deep into the world of cat eye gel polish, exploring its unique application techniques, the wide array of colors available, and most importantly, helping you choose the perfect shade and brand to achieve that stunning, magnetic look at home. Number 5. Beetles Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit. Get ready to unleash your inner artist with this stunning cat eye gel polish kit. It's got 6 gorgeous colors and everything you need to create mesmerizing nail art. This set includes 6 unique holographic glitter shades. Each color is meticulously crafted for a shiny, stylish finish that's sure to turn heads. With proper application, it will last for 28 days or more, keeping your nails looking fabulous. Enjoy a high-gloss shine that lasts. It's easy to apply and cures quickly under a UV LED lamp. Just use a magnet to create the unique cat eye effect. It makes a thoughtful and stylish gift for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to treat yourself. Always do a skin test before use. Remember to use a base and top coat for best results, and replace the magnet if it stops working. What we like? This set offers 6 gorgeous colors and a magnet for endless customization. It's long-lasting, keeping your manicure flawless for up to 28 days. If you love variety and want a long-lasting, salon-quality look at home, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Modelones Cat Eye Gel Polish. It's meticulously mixed with metallic magnetic glitter powders, reflecting iridescent rainbow galaxy lights. The elegant and stylish design adds hypnotic depth to any polish color. The rainbow glitter cat eye nails are easily customizable. A tiny magnet, included, lets you create many effects quickly and easily, keeping up with current fashion trends. Before curing under a UV lamp, use the magnet to achieve your desired effect in seconds. The closer the magnet, the better the result, but direct contact isn't necessary. Create stunning nail art. Its wide, easy glide-on brush and smooth formula make application simple. It dries in 30 seconds under a lamp and lasts up to 28 days with ultimate shine. It's an ideal gift for nail lovers. Perfect for everyday use, special occasions, or as a thoughtful surprise. Always do a skin test first to check for any reaction. What we like? This cat eye gel boasts a mesmerizing holographic glitter finish. It's incredibly easy to apply, thanks to its smooth formula and wide brush. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and stunning holographic effect, this is the one for you. Number 3. MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the captivating allure of our new 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit. This complete set includes 6 vibrant shades, 2 magnetic wands, and a black base coat, providing everything you need to create mesmerizing nail art at home. With its chameleon-like colors and holographic shimmer, it delivers a stunning galaxy effect. The unique 9D design ensures a luxurious, long-lasting finish that will turn heads. It's incredibly easy to apply. Simply use the magnetic wands to create captivating cat eye designs. 2 to 3 thin coats will give you the perfect, rich color saturation. This high-quality gel polish is made with natural resin, ensuring a healthy, low-odor formula. With proper application, it can last up to 4 weeks, maintaining its brilliant shine and smooth finish. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of glamorous, professional-looking nails with this luxurious set. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your nail game. Order your MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit now and unleash your creativity. What we like? Experience the unique 9D effect with this set, complete with 2 magnets for ultimate control. It's designed for long-lasting wear, keeping your nails looking perfect for up to 4 weeks. If you want a professional-looking 9D cat eye manicure that lasts, this is your best option. What people say. 9D Cat Eye Collection, 10-ounce bottles, 5 colors, black and magnets. Everything was in the package and shipped fine. There's little windows on the bottles to indicate color and black base is marked as well. The colors are brilliant and it cures quickly. It comes with 3 magnets, a wand that has a magnet at each end and a 3rd rectangular magnet. This glitter polish shines and twinkles. It's not gritty, even before top coat it shines so much. Number 2. 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the mesmerizing beauty of our 9D Galaxy Gel Polish. Its unique formula delivers a captivating holographic effect that changes with every angle. This isn't your average nail polish. It boasts a stunning cat eye effect with chameleon colors, shifting and shimmering in the light. Prepare to be amazed. Made with healthy, non-toxic ingredients, it's gentle on your nails. With proper application, it provides up to 2 weeks of flawless wear. For optimal results, warm the bottle in warm water before use, especially in colder weather. Also, remember to use both ends of the magnet and cure immediately after application. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll assist you within 24 hours. Transform your nails into a celestial masterpiece with our 9D Galaxy Gel Polish. Order yours today and unleash your inner star. What we like? This gel polish offers stunning chameleon colors that shift and change depending on the light. The 9D effect adds depth and dimension. If you love unique, color-shifting nail art, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The photo doesn't even come close to doing this polish justice. In person they look amazing and my customers at work keep asking me for a link to this polish. I was a bit nervous cause a lot of the reviews claim the magnet doesn't work, but after a bit of practice I had everything working perfectly. This was my first go at anything like this and I'm obsessed. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I think this is a very nice gel. Wonderful sparkle without the gray shadowing you get with some glitter and cat eye gel polishes. Number 1. 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the mesmerizing allure of our 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish. Its unique formula creates a captivating, ever-changing effect that will leave you spellbound. This isn't your average nail polish. It's a transformative experience, allowing you to create stunning holographic designs with ease. Let your creativity shine. Watch as it transforms with every angle, revealing a mesmerizing blend of colors. The effect is truly unique and captivating, no matter your base coat choice. Experiment with different base coats to unlock a world of dazzling effects. From shiny to holographic blue to galactic, the possibilities are endless. See the video for inspiration. It's formulated with healthy, non-toxic ingredients, ensuring a gentle experience for your nails. With proper application, it will last up to 2 weeks, keeping your manicure looking flawless. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll assist you within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This innovative 2023 Cat Eye Gel features a unique blend of multiple colors that create an ever-changing effect. It's easy to achieve different looks depending on your base coat. If you want to experiment with different looks and love a modern, trendy manicure, this is perfect for you. What people say. The photo doesn't even come close to doing this polish justice. In person they look amazing and my customers at work keep asking me for a link to this polish. I was a bit nervous cause a lot of the reviews claim the magnet doesn't work, but after a bit of practice I had everything working perfectly. This was my first go at anything like this and I'm obsessed. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I think this is a very nice gel. Wonderful sparkle without the gray shadowing you get with some glitter and cat eye gel polishes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.